Alan Segi. I'm 28 and I identify as he, him.
Gab Turo, 27, he, him.
What's your relationship status?
We're friends.
Best friends.
We're boyfriends.
How long have you been together?
3 years, right?
Yes, 3 years.
Turning 4. Anniversary namin, Valentine's Day.
Feb 14, para tipid.
We met on Tinder on our last swipe. Pares kami last swipe.
Yeah, we were both kind of over the whole online dating scene. But wala eh. Nahanap yung isa't isa.
Isa't isa. Sobrang ayoko na ng maraming cheche-bureche. So I was just like talking to him, and on that same night, video call agad. So, let's just cut to the chase. If it's gonna work, it's gonna work. If it's not, then it's not gonna work. And then it did. So, yun. And funny thing nung video call na yun.
Oh yeah, it lasted like an hour or 2 hours.
Mm-mm.
And then by the end of it, bigla siyang nagka-massive nosebleed.
Not because nag-i-English siya, but because
Yun yung akala ko eh.
we picked it up from there. The next few days, we kept talking, and then we finally decided to meet
Yes.
in person.
The moment I saw blood, I knew it was it na.
Ako, parang, honestly, wala. Di ko alam. Kasi he was cute and all, and as far as I know, yun palang yung basis ko. I didn't really get to know him all too well. But as the time passes by, like the days pass by, mas nagusto ko siya.
Well, for me naman, I mean, it happened sort of quickly. We both just came from a relationship before starting. And I think we both were of the mindset na we'll just see where it went. And then it just went all the way really quickly. I guess when you know talaga, you just know.
I remember.
What was her
Do you
first name?
remember?
No.
So, I was working with a brand and kawork ko yung ex ko.
Ah, yes.
So, then,
I remember now.
we worked very closely. And yung breakup kasi namin ng ex ko, it was a very clean breakup. We're still friends up to this day. I made it very clear kay Gab na hindi ako nagka-cut off ng tao na wala namang masamang ginawa sa akin. So, nung time na yon, break na kami. Pero magka-work pa rin kami, and we had a shoot na overnight. Tapos, hindi ko nasabi kay Gab, nakasama siya. Inassume ko na lang na alam niya, kasi sabi niya, sino kasama mo? Lahat ng ka-work ko. Lahat. Tapos nung nag-video call siya sa akin, saktong-sakto, kumatok yung ex ko sa room ko. Kasi tinatawag na ako. So, parang, hala, hindi ka na, mag-aano na tayo. Sabi niya, is that? Tapos sabi ko, yeah. Tapos sabi niya, why is he there? Tapos sabi ko, I told you everyone was gonna be here. Ang nangyari, pumunta siya sa shoot. Tapos nag-away kami nung gabing yun before mag-check out.
Yeah.
Pero okay lang, na-resolve din naman siya.
And he handled it great naman. I mean, it was such a new concept for me, just being fine with your ex. But yeah, he offered me a lot of assurance and a lot of care despite me being manic. So yeah. Favorite memory? I have one, but it's not really safe to share.
Hala!
I know one.
Mm.
It was our first date. My younger brother knew this parang stream not far from my parents' house. By the time we got there, it was just such a beautiful green virgin stream. It was our first date, and it was just so magical, and it was just him, me, and other local, people from that area swimming there. Yeah, I'll always remember that date talaga.
Ako, favorite memory ko of him was yung first time ko siya ma-meet in person. Kakagaling ko lang sa shoot, and yung shoot namin, may props kami na roses. So, I decided to bring them kasi itatapon na nila. Sayang, dadaling ko na lang. So, pagdating ko palabas ko ng car, naghihintay na siya sa labas ng place niya. Tapos, Hindi ko in-expect na matangkad siya. Ang tangkad niya. Paglabas ko, hinag niya kaagad ako. Tapos pagpasok namin dun sa front door ng place niya. As in, we made out for an hour. Without saying anything. And after that hour, saka lang kami tumingin sa isa. Then that's when we said, hi.
I think for me, parang like whenever I just stop and take a look at it all, na-amaze lang ako sa growth that we both went through.
As
And how-
individuals and as together.
and together, parang just how much things has changed over that short time span. You know, how healthier it's become also, but also how more open we can actually have conversations. I mean, how at ease I am with like saying, if I'm sad, parang in a moment, I'll let him know why I'm sad, and I think it's a small thing, but it makes all the difference talaga in a relationship. And then also like just seeing him grow as an artist, as a worker. I mean, I remember when it was just product shoots off our bedroom, tas hindi niya liligpitin kahit ano ang kalat lagi. But now it's like it's a whole studio, and you know, it's front page magazines, and yet he's still more or less the same guy I fell in love with.
Yeah, definitely the growth, I would say. And yung openness. I think it's rare to find someone na you can easily speak your mind to about anything. As in, ultimo, lumabas ka kagabi, may nakita ka bang cute? Sino crush mo doon? As in, abot na sa point na ganun. Just having that security and that maturity, I think, is the biggest thing that this whole relationship has impacted in both our lives.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about each
Ako, my favorite thing about him is his gentleness and yung trait niya na he would put anyone else first before anyone else. It doesn't have to be me. It could be his family members, could be people he loves. But as long as nakita niyang comfortable yung ibang tao, sa kanya na lang iisipin yung personal interest niya. So that's very telling of the kind of person he is. So giving, and he's so generous with his love. Sometimes, masasabi mo na he might not have a lot to give, pero kung iisipin mo lahat ng meron siya, bibigay niya sa'yo hanggat kaya. So,
My favorite thing about this guy here is he's a pillar talaga eh. A lot of people look up to him, a lot of people rely on him, and that's great and all, being the boss bitch that he is, obviously, but the fact that he's there and he's mine, and parang I come home and it's definitely, I feel safe when I'm with him. Let's put it that way.
With all of those things in mind, and I want you guys to look in each other's eyes as you say it. What brings you pride in your relationship?
I have to pick one.
yes.
I don't know it, but every time I think about it, we don't fight eh.
Mm.
We really don't fight as much as other couples fight. And it's not in yung toxic kind of way na nagkikim-kim tayo ng galit or anything. I think we're just both mature enough to talk about it. And that gives me a lot of pride din talaga.
Ako, what brings me pride in this relationship is I wear a lot of hats in my life, and I feel, ala, nagyo na iyak. I feel like I can take off all my hats. Whatever. That's it.
Cut.
Happy
Happy Pride Jelly
time!